Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to reorder your media types on your photo gallery app. So before you begin, you need to first make sure you're on iOS 18.4. Go ahead and open up settings and update your phone. Once updated, you want to go ahead and open up the Photos app. Here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see media type. Tap on that. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on edit. And here you can go ahead and reorder all of these. So if you want screenshots at the top, you can go ahead and add it there. You can go ahead and selfies at the top as well. And by reordering this, you can basically customize your photo app. Now, for some reason, if you don't like how you've customized it, you have a reset button here, which you can basically press, and this will reset everything to how it was factory setting. Now, once you're happy, tap done. And now you have reordered your media type on your Photos app on your iPhone running iOS 18.4. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.